Hello, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to make group photo on Instagram. Do you want to post a giant square image on your Instagram? So this video is for you. If you're new to this channel, do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. What is group photo actually on the Instagram? A group photo is a single image that is divided into multiple square posts or parts. So the first thing you have to do if you want to have this kind of shape on your device and post it on your Instagram, you have to go to your Play Store app. So on my Play Store app, I just have to search for Grip Maker. Now, I already have Grip Maker on my phone. I just have to click on the open option. Next thing you have to do here is to click on Grip Maker option. Select the particular picture you want to create as a group photo. Let me see, I've taken this picture. Now you can see that we have different shapes here. We have the 3x1, we have the 3x2, we have the 3x3. I would advise you to make use of this 3x3. I think it's better. We have the 3x4 and 3x5 and so on, but this 3x3 recommended one is a better presentation of any image you want to show, because your image will show very well and clear. Post it, you just have to save it to your device first. Go out from the Grip app. Now search for Insta. So on your Instagram app, you can now click on the plus icon found at the bottom of your screen in order to get new screen for you to be able to post a photo. So the photo you just saved from your Grip Maker, you can just search for it here and upload it on your Instagram. So guys, that is it on how to make group photos on Instagram. If this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.